Hello! In this video I will show you how to set up parental control on Blackview Color 8. So you have to start by opening your settings application, and then you have to scroll down and click on Google. Now click on Kids and Family, and then click on Parental Controls and click Get Started. Now select Child or Teenager and click Next. Then click on Other, create account for your child. And now you have to enter your child email address. And then click Next. Now you have to enter your password. And then click I agree. Now you have to scroll down and click Accept. Then you have to select your account, and here you have to enter your parent email address. And then click Next. And now you have to enter your parent password. And now you have to scroll down, and here you have to enter your password again. Now click Next, and here scroll down and click Next. Now click Next again, and here you can click Install Family Link, or you can click Skip, and then you can install this app manually. Now click on Review Controls, and as you can see, my parental control is now set up. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.